Welcome to Bruges, a city where time seems to flow at its own pace, where every cobblestone whispers tales of the past, and where ancient legends mingle with the present day. Here in this labyrinth of canals and cobbled streets, history comes alive. Today we delve into the heart of this UNESCO World Heritage Site, a true gem of Belgium, to uncover the legends and history that have shaped its unique character. Join me as we journey through the stories etched into the very fabric of this remarkable city. Our journey begins with the iconic Belfry of Bruges, a towering giant that has stood watch over the city for centuries. Its imposing presence dominates the skyline, a steadfast guardian of Bruges' past. The Belfry is not merely a structure of brick and mortar, it's a symbol of civic pride, its majestic bells once regulating the lives of the city's inhabitants. Legend has it that the bells, renowned for their harmonious chimes, possess a darker side. Some whisper that those who dare to steal the bells will face misfortune, forever cursed by their audacity. We glide now along the tranquil canals of Bruges, their placid waters reflecting the city's timeless beauty. It is here that we encounter another symbol of Bruges, the graceful swans that glide effortlessly through the water. Legend has it that these elegant creatures are a reminder of a tragic past, their presence linked to the story of Peter Lankels. His untimely demise, so the story goes, led to the decree that swans should forever grace the canals. Today they serve as a poignant reminder of Bruges' enduring spirit and the stories woven into its very essence. Our quest for Bruges' hidden tales leads us now to the Church of Our Lady, a sanctuary of art and faith. It is here that we encounter a masterpiece that draws visitors from across the globe, Michelangelo's Madonna and Child. This exquisite sculpture, imbued with a sense of profound serenity, possesses a past as captivating as its beauty. Stolen during the Napoleonic Wars and again during World War II, the Madonna has borne witness to turbulent times. Each theft, each recovery only adds to the mystique surrounding this cherished work of art. Bruges, a city seemingly untouched by time, bears the indelible mark of a dramatic past. Centuries ago, a catastrophic flood, known as the Great Flood, swept through the region, forever altering the course of Bruges' history. Imagine, if you will, the relentless surge of water engulfing the city, transforming streets into raging torrents. This cataclysmic event, vividly depicted in old paintings and maps, serves as a stark reminder of the power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. As our exploration of Bruges draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of wonder. This city, with its captivating legends and rich history, invites you to uncover its secrets. Every corner turned, every bridge crossed, reveals a new perspective on this remarkable city. So come, wander through the cobblestone streets, cruise along its enchanting canals, and immerse yourself in the magic of Bruges. So come and explore Bruges, where every corner holds a secret and every secret tells a story. Let the whispers of the past guide your footsteps as you wander through its medieval streets. Visit Bruges, and let its legends enchant you, its history captivate you, and its timeless beauty leave an imprint on your soul.